So here you can see that the equation is minus 2x plus y is equal to minus 3. So you have to rearrange the equation in the way that y is the subject. So you will keep y on this side, and minus 2x is subtracting here. When I will move it to the other side, it will be added. So now in the question they are asking you that you have to draw the graph. However, they have given you the values of x, which are minus 1, 0 and 2. We are doing question 4, so the values of x are minus 1, 0 and 2. So remember, whenever we draw the graph, first we have to complete this table. Okay, so what we will do is that we will complete this table first. So for the table, you will just substitute the values of x. So the values of x are minus 1, 0, 2. Now if you will substitute x minus 1 in this equation, so what will be the value of y? Okay, so if x is equal to minus 1, so y will be, just substitute this in the value in this equation, which is y is equal to minus 3 plus 2x. So you will get minus 3 and minus 2, so you will get minus 5. So the value of y is minus 5. Now substitute y is equal to 0. So if x is equal to 0, so the value of y is minus 3 plus 2. Now in place of x, you will substitute 0. So you will get minus 3 plus 0, which is minus 3. Now you will substitute x is equal to 2. So if x is equal to 2, now substitute this in this equation. So minus 3 plus 2x, in place of x you will substitute 2. So y is equal to minus 3 plus 4, which is 1. So now you have made the table, right? So you will draw the graph. Before drawing the graph, you have to select the scale. So how you will select the scale? The instructions are given in this question. They are saying on a sheet of graph paper using a scale of 4 centimeter to represent 1 unit on the x-axis, right? So it means that on the x-axis you will leave the gap of 4 centimeter and the gap of 1 number, right? So it means that you will leave the gap of 4 centimeter and 1 number gap on the x-axis, and on the y-axis you will leave the gap of 2 centimeter 1 unit, means you will leave the gap of 1 number, but the gap which you will leave on the graph paper is 2 centimeters. You all will be having the graph paper, so you know that the graph paper is divided into small boxes and each box is equal to 1 centimeter. So 4 centimeter means that you will leave 4 boxes and 2 centimeter means that you will leave 2 boxes. Right now I am not having the graph paper, so I am just explaining you on the board. So here we go. Let's draw it. I'm going to draw the graph here. Okay, you can check the values. My maximum value in x is 2 and my maximum value in y is 1, from minus 5 to 1. So let's write it down. 4 centimeter mean here on the x-axis, you know that the horizontal line is x-axis, and here we are having positive values of x, and we are having negative values of x, and the vertical line is your y-axis, and here we are having positive values of y, and here downward we are having negative values of y. So let's write down the values. Here this is 0, this is the 0 point. This is, okay, 4 centimeter means that you will leave the gap of 4. 1, 2, 3. In the same way on this side you will be having graph paper, small boxes graph paper, so you will leave 4 boxes here. Here 2 centimeter means that you will leave the gap of 2 centimeter. 1, 2. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and minus 5. So let's draw the graph now. Now you look at the table. In the table it's saying that x is negative 1, so y is negative 5. So negative 1 and negative 5 mean that here you can see that here the negative, this is negative 1 and the negative 5, you know that the first value is x and the other is y. So this is x value negative 1 and this is y value negative 5. So my point will be here. Okay, and the second point is 0 and 3. X is 0 and y is 3. So here this is x 0 and y 3 is here. So the point will be here, x is 0 and y 3 is here. And the next point is 2 and 1. So x is 2 and y is 1. This is x2 and this is y1. Sorry, y is negative 3. Here let me correct the second point, x is 0 and y is negative 3. So I'm just correcting it here, my bad. So negative 3 will come here somewhere, yes, here. Now you will join this point. Okay, when you will draw it on the graph paper, you will get exact straight line. Remember, because whenever we are having a linear equation, remember our graph will be a straight line. So this is our straight line and this is how you have to draw the graph of the linear equation. So our equation was y is equal to minus 3 plus 2x. So this is the equation and this is the our graph, and this is how you have to draw the graph. I hope that it's clear to you.